we're going to do it with some different pieces of rope. Let's see, what was your name? Savannah, can you help me out and examine this piece of rope? Just make sure that there's no trap doors or magnets or any sort of strange things like that. And let's see, Nico, you can examine this piece of rope, which means Daniel, that's right, you get to examine this piece of rope. All right, now like I said, guys, just make sure that there's no trap doors or escaping gases or hidden assistants, anything like that in there. All right, now, Savannah, did that seem like a regular piece of rope to you? Okay, very good. So guys, Savannah got to examine this piece of rope here, which is a very long piece of rope. And Daniel, did that seem like a regular piece of rope to you? Did it seem normal? Okay, very good. Daniel examined this one. This is a very short piece of rope. And that's right, Nico examined this piece, which is a very medium piece of rope. And I want you guys to watch close, because what I'm going to attempt to do, I'm going to attempt to make all three of the ropes become the exact same size with just one magical gesture. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Watch. Huh?
Yeah.
Pretty good, right? Not very good. Nothing happened. But guys, nothing happened because it's only the ropes were in the wrong lighting. However, I think if we actually put the ropes in the right lighting, it does make them appear as if all three of the ropes are the same size. Now guys, I know this is a little strange, but I can swear that the first rope does look as if it's the same size as the second rope, which makes it look like the same size as the third rope. Oh, thank you. This young man liked it. He's clapping. So guys, this is a little confusing, I know, but I'm going to make this a little less confusing. I'm going to actually remove one of the ropes. We're going to go ahead and put it away, and we'll do the trick with just 2 ropes instead, because it's easier to watch 2 ropes than it is with 3 ropes. Rather, on second thought, guys, let's go and do the trick with just 1 rope. I think 1 rope is even easier to do the trick with than 2 ropes, if you know what I mean. So I know you guys are watching very closely. I do want everybody to watch closely, because now I'm going to do a part of the trick where I have the middle of the rope switch places with the ends of the rope. They're going to actually switch places. So here we go. Huh? Like I said, you guys know bad jokes. If you want to be a magician, that's not magic. If you wanted to do it magically, then you literally have the ends of the rope switch places with the middle of the rope like that. They say that is a peculiar piece of rope, ladies and gentlemen. But ladies and gentlemen, it's not the end of the trick yet. It's just the ends of the rope I want you to watch. Because look, if you don't do it the right way, sometimes you can just sort of lose the ends of the rope. And if you lose the ends of the rope, then you have to know how to put the ends of the rope right back on the rope. Like so. And you're back to where you started from in the beginning of the trick. I think you guys remember though at the beginning of this trick, this is a trick we started with not 1 long piece of rope, not 2 pieces of rope. Yes, you remember the trick was actually done with 3 pieces of rope, which you were all able to examine. And you guys remember they were different sizes. So I think this one must have been the really long piece. And look, I think that's the short piece. And I think this is the medium piece. And I think you guys will see what I mean too. If you watch closely again on the count of 3, we can see, watch, 1, 2, look, 3, sure enough, there's the long piece of rope. Look, there's the short piece of rope. And that is the medium piece of rope.
Get out of the house!